easy and fast fluffy pancakes recipe. Who doesn't love a stack of warm, fluffy pancakes to start their day? Whether it's a lazy Sunday morning or a quick weekday treat, these pancakes are incredibly simple to make and will be a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Forget the boxed mixes. This recipe uses basic pantry staples and comes together in minutes. Here's how to whip up the fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1¼ cups milk, dairy or non-dairy works great, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, plus extra for greasing the pan. Instructions: whisk the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and granulated sugar. Make sure there are no lumps and everything is well combined. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Combine wet and dry. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix with a whisk or spoon until just combined. Don't overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will lead to a more tender pancake. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in tough pancakes. Heat your pan. Heat a lightly oiled or buttered griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test if it's ready by sprinkling a few drops of water on the surface. If they sizzle and evaporate quickly, it's good to go. Cook the pancakes. Pour or scoop about ¼ cup of batter per pancake onto the hot griddle. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles start to form on the surface of the pancake. Serve immediately. Transfer the cooked pancakes to a plate and serve warm with your favorite toppings. Tips for perfect pancakes: don't overmix. This is the golden rule for fluffy pancakes.